what's up? Good morning. It's Vinny 10 over at Vinny 10 Racer. We're getting ready for the CMR event, Import Revival, May 19th to the 21st. And we're here all weekend, dynoing and having a great time, and, battling. Arthur was battling some gremlins. Jace was battling some gremlins. I actually put my car on the dyno, and we only made 922 horsepower in order for it. That's the tune-up that it actually came off the track with. Now, we made 1,089, and we couldn't get the car down the track like that. So we backed it down. We just didn't know how far we backed it down. Well, we backed it down about 130, about 150, 160 horsepower. We got it off the dyno, and I put the car away, and I was pretty happy with everything. I was like, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to bust Dave's ass, right? Okay, whatever. But I go to, and this happened to me at the track. The car wouldn't start, and it happened to me at the track on April 1st. And I just thought it was a glitch, or, I didn't load the map right, or I uploaded, or I downloaded something wrong, or whatever. Well, after we got off the dyno, I go to start the car. Car don't start. Car don't start. Car don't start. Upload, download, shut it, off it, bleed it, do whatever I could to do. Car don't fucking start. Seems like it's losing something. So I go out there and I ask the guys to check this, check that. And all of a sudden I said, hey, why don't we just kind of put our hands on each sensor? We put our hands on the cam sensor on the right hand, no different. Put it on the left hand driver's side, all of a sudden the car starts. It's like, oh, something's over there. Well, we real quick look at the sensor that night. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're like, well, it looks okay, and harness looks okay. But then the next day, it didn't start again. And I was like, so I grabbed Steve, who's been with me forever, is just a fucking genius. And he's like, hey, look at this. So I can't even see without my glasses. But if you see in there, you see this green corrosion shit, and I'm sure you'll expand it inside that white connector. Yeah, that didn't do it, and that's because that happened because the wire was actually pulled in the back and then just seeped in there with water and eventually corroding the connector. And I'm basically doing this video to show you how quickly you can get effed in this game with the most simplest of things. You pull this connector off, looks good, feels good, wires are good, but when you take a second look at it, these are the kind of things that screw every single racer a couple of days before the event. Man, I didn't even get any sleep on Sunday because I was so worried about this. I know it's Tuesday today, but I was so concerned over this because your car don't start, you don't get to race. So my guys did a phenomenal job. Yarrick and Steve have put this car together for me. I basically build the motor and help them out from here and there. These guys are phenomenal. Once again, bailed my ass out. A little connector, stop you from racing. Don't ever forget, anything, and I mean anything, can knock you out.